If you only watch one of my videos, I hope this is the one. Holy smokes, guys. This is crazy. Alright, we got some exclusive news on Bitcoin and how to predict Bitcoin's charts and crypto's charts. I do believe that a recession is coming. I'm going to provide data on this and everything that I'm saying, but I do believe a recession is coming. I'm not trying to freak anyone out or turn anyone off or anything like that, but I do believe a recession is coming. I do believe we do have one more like crazy, insane FOMO rally with like meme coins, everything, all that going nuts. Then we might go into like a bear market and it might get ugly. But let's take things step by step, and we're going to talk about how we can profit off of all these moves, because as a trader, you want to make the best decisions to capitalize on if the market goes down or up. You want to know if to sell, hold, buy, whatever the case may be. So let's just get in the data and try to clear things up. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here with the charts, and as you can see, I have a Bitcoin daily chart up. Now Bitcoin has a dominance over the cryptocurrency market of exactly 37.5%, and ETH has a dominance of 19.1%. That's why I focus so much on the Ethereum and crypto charts. Now there are coins like the Web 3.0 coins like algorand, XRP, Atom that are green and do amazing gains, and I suggest if you don't have any Web 3.0 coins, Ethereum is one of them too. Definitely get them. But as we can see, the main mover, Bitcoin, which basically controls the market, is at a very pivotal point here. So we do not want to cross below these two white trend lines. These two white trend lines, actually, one will form a rising wedge, a bearish pattern. So we want to hold this, and we want to see some movement to the upside or break out of this pattern. If we connected this top to this top, and I'm going to keep you real with you guys, I'm not here to give you guys any BS or anything like that. I'm going to spit it to you straight and tell you a bearish and bullish scenario, like I said in the intro, so we can get the best scenario and make the best decisions together. So basically what I'm seeing here is that we want to hold these trend lines. We don't want to really break below them. If we did, that would break the pattern, so necessarily it wouldn't be a bad thing. But there's also another pattern called the dome pattern that is also a bearish pattern that you might see more downside to. But basically, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the bullish scenarios and the bearish scenarios, and let you guys come to a conclusion, hopefully, and hopefully you can do that. But hopefully, we're going to come to a conclusion together. But again, overall, I am bullish. I think that we'll have one more mania rally, so one more crazy rally up to like 80,000, 100,000, something nuts. Meme coins are going to jump. Everything's going to jump in the space. It's going to be insane. And the holders now will be extremely rewarded. I think we're going to have one more mania rally, then a bearish market and a recession. So hopefully we can get out at the top. And I really should be charging for this information, but I'm not the best out there, so it doesn't matter. But hopefully we can get out at the top and then like get out at the top and buy the bottom. So we cash out with all of our gains and let the market crash. If you're in AMC or GME, you might make out because the market crash will trigger the short squeeze. But other than that, you're going to get wrecked. Crypto might even spike still. We don't know how crypto will react in a market crash. I'm thinking with all the smart money at these higher valuations, we will see a definite drop in price. But after 100K, the drop in price might only be to 50K. So I do think that we're going to hit 80 to 100K and have like one more crazy rally. But basically, we don't want to break these two lines. So we're watching this very closely, and basically the whole world's watching this closely. And as these prices wedge together and consolidate, eventually they're going to have to break one way or the other, and it's going to be a pretty hard break. It's going to be a hard break down or a hard break up. If it's a hard break down, I personally am going to hold if I don't sell. I do not plan on selling, but personally I will hold and then wait for upside, because I do believe after that would be a mania rally. So either way, it's going to break down and we're going to have a mania rally, or we're going to consolidate and start moving our way back up and have some like crazy phase or some volatility and have a crazy phase. And this will take place throughout the year. But basically that is the rundown. Let's go ahead and move and see what the fear and crypto index is. So the fear and crypto index is, or greed index, is at 23, so extreme fear. Normally if you trade off of this, that would mean this is a buying opportunity, and that's basically what I've been doing, is accumulating right now. If we check out social metrics are down by just a little bit, but you can see these new coins like NFT books. So this is a good way to find like new coins and stuff like that. But basically social metrics are what's going on and how often the coin is searched. You can also do this using Google Trends, um, and you'll see that these have a relationship to price and stuff like that. But basically what we're really looking at today, and this is overall market basically, but basically what we're really looking at today is the treasury bond yield market. So as you can see, it has a direct correlation. So this is the treasury bond yield over the last year, and it has a direct correlation with Bitcoin price as basically a running indicator. So it kind of leads Bitcoin's price. So as you can see, Bitcoin is moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. As you can see, drops down, 10-year drops down, which is this orange line here. And as you can see, Bitcoin's price drops down. 10-year yield price starts to rise. As you can see, Bitcoin starts to rise. As you can see, 10 years starts to fall. You can see Bitcoin starts to fall. But as you can see, Bitcoin's price is the orange price and 10-year is the candles. I do apologize. But as you can see, as the yield starts to rise now, I do believe Bitcoin's price is to follow, and that basically is why I'm overall bullish on crypto. But obviously there's much more reasons to that, because I'm a bull on crypto for many reasons, as I stated in previous videos. But there's a lot of fear in the market, and even I was starting to get shook up. So I'll be honest with you guys. I was like, should I sell? Should I sell? Should I sell? I don't know. After finding this other information and taking a deep search into the internet, and it's not just the 10-year treasury thing, it's other things that make me bullish as well. It's all of the other stuff happening in the space, all of the other innovations, all of the metrics on chain where people can't always look, all of the analytics on the charts, all of that stuff is leading to a pump. um, it's just a lot of fear in the market, and then a lot of this selling volume is also coming from Asia, which is a forced sell-off, which happened on up until January 1st because they were forced to close their brokers or their accounts. And if you look after January 1st, we had a lot of buying on that day. So you can see the date down here at the bottom. January 1st was an extreme red day or green day. And I think people are selling off because they're scared. So they got out as they got that pump. They were like, okay, I'm getting out of this trade. I'm done. Washed their hands of it and took profits or whatever the case may be. But I think as retail holders, we can only react to the market. And I think it's a good time to accumulate and then move forward. Again, as the market is greedy, be fearful. So when we're in extreme greed, be fearful. When the market is in extreme fear, be greedy. That means buy up, and that is a quote from Warren Buffett. But basically, due to the 10-year treasury bond and what we're seeing as this spike, and as this is a running indicator for Bitcoin, and as you can see on the brief technical analysis I did in this video and other videos, that I am bullish on Bitcoin, and I do believe it's moving up. Briefly touching on other coins on technical analysis, you can see that Ethereum also is in what is called a falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. And if you look, this is on the daily. So as you can see, Ethereum doesn't look like much as a mess as Bitcoin. It's very easy to see how this is going to break out and be very, very bullish. It hasn't broken below this trend all year, for multiple years, and for about since 2020 till now, and it's clearly on a uptrend. It's on this falling wedge here, which is a bullish pattern, and it's not as messy. It's very easy to see, It retains its first mover advantage. Again, 19% overall dominance over the entire crypto uh, uh, space. And again, these Web3 coins like Algorand, which had a huge percentage gain over the last couple days after breaking out from this falling wedge, uh, and following in this trend, has had incredible gains. Again, Web 3.0 coins. So just look for Web 3.0 coins. If you're not invested, definitely get invested in those. Again, smart money is moving heavily into Web 3.0 and investing heavily in Web 3.0. But basically, that is the video. Hopefully, it gave you some clarity. Hopefully, it kind of made things a little bit less scary for you guys. I know this is a scary time right now, but I'm telling you, when the market is fearful, be greedy. Accumulate, buy while everyone else is selling, and sell while everyone else is buying. You want to outsmart these markets and make this money. So hopefully that gave you guys some clarity. Again, I'll be dropping more videos on things like AMC, crypto, GME, the MOAS, all of that good stuff. Again, hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content. Peace out. Alright, so as you can see, I provided some context to my intros and stuff like that. Gave you guys some data, technical analysis, and hopefully it clarifies things. Now, I'm not trying to freak anyone out, like I said earlier, but these are possibilities, and we want to explore all the possibilities to make sure that we get the best technical analysis and data so we can make the best decisions and make sure we secure our futures financially. If you found this information informative, hopefully you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.